It's not yours, not mine, it's ours. So protect your mother who nourish you. Hello everyone, I Jagdish Paliwal welcome you all on the first part of the Environment Quiz 2020. Let's begin. Question number 1. 70% of atmospheric oxygen, nearly 3 out of 4 breaths you take anywhere on the planet is due to, and your options are phytoplankton, boreal forest, rainforest, and mangrove. Question number 2. This day was established by the United Nations General Assembly in 1972 to mark the opening of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. Which important day am I talking about here? Question number 3. What is the theme of the World Environment Day 2020? Question number 4. The first Environment Day was celebrated in which year? Question number 5. Which country will host the Environment Day 2020? Question number 6. In India, all vehicles in use need to obtain emission check certificate. What is this certificate known as? Question number 7. Identify the logo. Question number 8. Which gas is called laughing gas, which is cause of global warming? Question number 9. What do this logo stands for? And today's last question, question number 10. Identify the environmental phenomenon being mocked here. Thank you and have a nice day.